DeFi secrets: how to make money without trading. Want to take advantage of decentralized finance? DeFi. But don't want to spend all day looking at charts? Find out how to make money in DeFi without having to trade all the time. What does DeFi mean? Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is a type of financial service that uses blockchain technology. You can do things like lend, borrow, and trade without having to go through banks and other middlemen. Why use DeFi to make money? Compared to traditional finance, DeFi has a better chance of making money. You can make money without doing anything by providing liquidity, staking, lending, and other things. DeFi secrets for making money without trading. Providing liquidity, LPing. To provide liquidity, you need to put 2 tokens into a liquidity pool on a decentralized exchange, DEX, like Uniswap or SushiSwap. You get paid by traders who use the pool to trade tokens. Uniswap, Amiswap, SushiSwap, and PancakeSwap are some of the platforms. Risk: impermanent loss. The value of the tokens you put in may change. Advice: pick pools with a lot of trading and stable token pairs. Yield farming. Yield farming is like getting the most out of your LPing rewards. You put LP tokens, which you get by providing liquidity, into a yield farm to get more tokens. Platforms: Aave, Compound, and Yearn. Finance. Risk: rug pulls and smart contract risk. Advice: look into the projects, the audit reports, and the TVL, total value lock. Lending and borrowing. You can lend your crypto assets on DeFi lending platforms and get paid interest. You can also borrow assets by putting up collateral. AVA, Compound, and MakerDAO are all platforms. Risk: the risk of smart contracts and the risk of liquidation if the value of your collateral goes down. Advice: only borrow what you need and keep your collateral ratio healthy. Staking DeFi tokens. You can stake governance tokens on many DeFi platforms to earn rewards and have a say in how the platform is run. Risk: the price of the token can change a lot. Examples: Cake, PancakeSwap, and Uniswap. Advice: look into the token's usefulness and rights to govern it. Automated yield aggregators. These platforms automatically send your money to the DeFi opportunities that pay the most, which saves you time and effort. Platforms: Beefy and Yearn. Finance. Finance. Risk: the risk of a smart contract. Tips: pick platforms that have a good track record and strong security. Liquid staking. Derivatives. With liquid staking, you can stake your crypto and get a derivative token that stands for the assets you staked. You can then use this derivative token in other DeFi activities, such as lending or yield farming. Platforms. Lido Finance. There are risks with smart contracts and the risk of depegging. If the derivative token loses value compared to the original asset. Know how the derivative token works and pick trustworthy platforms. DeFi security tips. Use a hardware wallet to keep your private keys safe. Ledger and Trezor are 2 examples of hardware wallets. Be careful when you approve smart contracts. Check and limit the permissions you give to smart contracts. Check it out. Do a lot of research on any DeFi platform before putting money into it. Use a temporary wallet. When dealing with risky or experimental DeFi projects, use a different wallet. Turn on 2-factor authentication. Set up 2-factor authentication for your accounts. Warnings and risks. Risk of smart contracts. DeFi platforms use smart contracts, which can have bugs. Impermanent loss means that the value of the tokens you put in may change a lot, which could cause you to lose money. Rug pulls. Malicious projects may drain the funds from their platform and disappear. Volatility. The values of crypto assets can change a lot. Uncertainty in regulations. The rules for DeFi are still changing. Is DeFi passive income right for you? In conclusion, DeFi gives you the chance to make money without having to trade all the time. But it also comes with a lot of risks. Understanding the underlying mechanisms, implementing security measures, and managing risk are crucial. Only put money into things you can afford to lose and always do your own research. DYOR.